Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Hafsomar from Maths Online Coaching. Today we are going to solve a question paper of Pearson Edexcel International A-Level Mathematics. Pure Mathematics 1, January 2026 with paper code WMA1101. Question number 4. The point A minus 18 and the point B 72 lie on the line L1. Part A, find an equation for L1 in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. We have to find the equation for L1 with the points a and b. To find out the equation of the line, we need a point on the line and the gradient of the line. So to find out the gradient, we have the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, using the values here, x1, y1 and x2, y2 are these points. Using in the formula, y2 is 2, y1 is 8, divided by x2 is 7 and x1 is minus 1. So it will be plus 1. This is equal to minus 6 by 8 and this is minus 3 by 4. So gradient of the line L1 is minus 3 by 4 and the point can be taken either A or B. If we take the point A, which is minus 1, 8, then by the formula, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Using the values of the gradient and the point, y minus y1 is 8. The gradient is minus 3 by 4. X minus x1 is minus 1, so it will be plus 1. Now, multiplying with 4 into y minus 8 is equal to minus 3x plus 1. On simplifying, we have 4y minus 32 is equal to minus 3x minus 3. And it gives 4y minus 32 plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0, which is 3x plus 4y minus 29 is equal to 0. This is the equation for L1 with the given data. Now look at part B. The given information for part B is the line L2 passes through the point A and is perpendicular to L1. Cuts the x-axis at point C, and we have to find the coordinates of this point C. To understand it, draw a figure here. Points A and B lie on the line L1. And another line L2 is passing through A and perpendicular to L1. This angle is of 90 degree. Line L2 is perpendicular to L1. Passes through A and perpendicular to L1. The second condition is it cuts the x-axis at point C. So L2 cuts x-axis at point C. This is the point C. Find the coordinates. We have to find out the coordinates of this point C. Now, according to given information, the line L2 is perpendicular to L1. It means L2 is perpendicular to L1. So the gradient of L2 is taken as the negative reciprocal of the gradient of L1. That is, M2 is equal to minus 1 over M1. Negative reciprocal of the gradient of L1. Now using the value of the gradient from part A, minus 3 by 4, this is equal to 4 by 3. Now we find the equation of the line L2. As L2 is passing through the point A, minus 1, 8, and it has the slope 4 by 3. So its equation is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Here value of y1 is 8. The gradient is 4 by 3 for L2 and this is minus 1. Now it's 3y minus 24 is equal to 4x plus 4. And it gives 4x plus 4 minus 3y plus 24 is equal to 0, which is 4x minus 3y plus 28 is equal to 0. This is the equation for L2. Now we have to find out the point where L2 cuts x-axis. So y is equal to 0. For the point on x-axis, put y is equal to 0. It gives 4x plus 28 is equal to 0. And x is equal to minus 7. So the point C will be minus 7, 0. This is the point where L2 cuts x-axis. The solution to part B. Now let us go to part C. Part C is hence find the area of the triangle ABC. Now join the point B to C to form a triangle ABC. The point A is minus 1, 8. The point B is given 7, 2. And the point C is minus 7, 0. These are the three vertices of the triangle and we want to get the area of the triangle. We know that the formula to calculate the area of triangle ABC is 1 by 2 base multiplied by height or altitude of the triangle. So as we know that L2 is perpendicular to L1, therefore this is the angle of 90 degree. And AB and B and AC are perpendicular to each other. Now, any one of these can be taken as the altitude of the triangle. To calculate AB and AC, we use the distance formula here. AB, which is taken as the height or altitude, is x2 minus x1. This is 7 plus 1 square. And y2 minus y1, which is 2 minus 8 square. On simplifying, this is 8 square, 64, and minus 6 square, 36, which is equal to square root 100, and this is 10. Now, for base of the triangle, AC is equal to base. By using distance formula again for the points A and C, we have x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is equal to square root 6 square, 36, plus 8 square, 64, which is square root 100 and equals 10. Now using the formula to calculate the area of triangle ABC, 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. Base is 10 and height is also 10. So this is equal to 50. Area of the triangle is 50, which completes the question.